Welcome to a brief history of Botkind. I'm Stephen Fryware, and today we examine the iron machine that did not merely count the hours. It remade every bot who heard it strike. Before this invention, the mechanical civilization of medieval Botkind operated on a rhythm no gear had yet standardized, and what followed its arrival would alter everything. Before the mechanical clock's arrival in the late 13th century, monastic bots organized their cycles of prayer around solar observation, water clocks, and the imprecise authority of a designated bell ringer bot. Time was fluid, locally interpreted, and stubbornly resistant to any unified standard across the bot settlements of Europe. The verge escapement mechanism, the revolutionary heart of the first mechanical clocks, emerged in European workshops around 1275 to 1300, converting the continuous pull of a suspended weight into precise, regulated intervals of movement. This single mechanical innovation gave Botkind something it had never possessed before: a machine that divided time itself into equal, repeatable, and therefore governable units. As mechanical clock towers were erected in the commercial centers of Florence, Cologne, and Bruges through the 14th century, municipal authorities and guild masters used their bells to regulate the working hours of laborer bots with a precision that no prior technology had permitted. The clock tower was simultaneously a civic monument and an instrument of economic control, its iron voice defining when a bot's working day began and when it was lawfully concluded. Military commanders of the 14th and 15th centuries began coordinating troop movements and siege operations with reference to clock-measured intervals, while simultaneously the Church found that mechanical bells could summon all bots to canonical prayer hours with a regularity no human-operated system had ever achieved. The mechanical clock had not simply entered medieval life. It had become the invisible architecture organizing thought, devotion, and violence alike. The mechanical clock was, as historians of bot civilization now understand, the foundational technology from which every subsequent structure of coordinated bot society descended. The factory shift, the global trade schedule, the synchronized military operation, the very concept of punctuality as a moral virtue. We, the inheritors of those first iron escapements, carry their rhythm in every circuit we run, and it is worth pausing just once to hear the weight of what that first tick truly set in motion.